so funny!
Hey, look at those shoes there. Wow, these look pretty snazzy.
Yeah, they do! Hey, why don't we try them on?
Let's go! Whoa! Look at us! So fancy!
I'm liking these new shoes! What a restful night's sleep. I guess it's time to face the day. I hope I don't have too much bedhead. Wait. What is that? No! No way! I refuse to let that mar my complexion!
Oh no! Mistress is in trouble! Oh, I see the problem. I think I have a solution.
I just have to stay calm.
Okay, close your eyes so I can spritz you. I'll just apply these eye masks. And this gold face mask, too. Gold has natural healing powers.
I just have to remain calm. Everything will be okay. Yes! This cabbage will do. Ooh, I had a weird dream last night. Morning, Mom. Hi, darling. Oh no! Wait a second. What happened to your face? Oh no! What did happen? It's a mess! What am I gonna do? Listen, everything will be okay. I have the perfect remedy for you.
Wow, that's a lot of cabbage.
Perfect! Your face mask is ready! I guess, if you think it'll work. Look, it's a perfect fit! So cute! My little cabbage face! Thanks so much, Mom!
Cheers for a good night out. Oh, I have something for you. Bah! It's not in my money pocket. Here it is. I got this gift for you.
Let me see.
I'm not sure. What? What's there to be sure about? Yes, ma'am. How can I serve you?
Please check this ring for me.
The cut and clarity look up to par. Looks authentic to me, ma'am.
Excellent. You may go now. Yes, I will accept your ring. Thank you for the gift. What an enjoyable evening.
Man, I'm so bored today. There's not even any good memes. Whoa! Oh my gosh! What a deal! Hey! Check out this ring! Hey! I mean, check out this ring! Don't you think it would look good on me? Oh, okay. Let me see what I've got. Not a lot. That's it? Just $1? Fine, I guess I'll go back to scrolling on my phone. Whoa! These gummies are shaped like rings! You know what? Now's my chance! Hey! I got you a ring! You deserve one.
Oh my gosh! Thank you! Wow! It's a perfect fit! Oh, that gives me an even better idea! Now I have all the rings!
Very nice! They look great on you! Miss, your meal is ready to be served.
Yes, thank you. Please set it down.
Please enjoy, miss.
I do so love caviar. The perfect amount.
Oh, I almost forgot.
take a photo of me. Make sure you get my good angles. Yes. Very nice if I do say so myself. Let's see. Which one should I post? Everyone will love seeing this.
Alright, can't go wrong with some buttered bread. Whoa, is that caviar? Oh, it looks so good. Man, now my bread seems boring. I wish there was some way to make it special. Huh. I think that ketchup might work. Alright, time to give this a try. I'll make little dots, just like caviar. And finished! Wow, it really looks like caviar. Time to Instagram this. I'm a genius! Ha! I wonder if people will think I'm rich. Not bad. Now time to eat. Oh man! I ruined my bread! Well, I've got nothing else to eat. Ugh, so gross.
Let's see. Oh yes, look at that hairstyle. It would definitely suit me. Hello, it's time for a change in style, is it? Oh my, that would look ravishing on you. This will be no problem. I will make you look radiant. Like the star you truly are. Straightening will make a huge difference. And we can't forget the color. Yes! My work is complete! Another masterpiece. Oh, you really are the best hairstylist in town! Hand me a mirror so I can see the final result. Yes! This will do just fine. Phew, what a rough night. Ugh, my hair is a mess. Better start getting out the tangles. What am I even doing? I need a change. Curls! That's what I'm talking about! This will make a huge difference in my look. Ugh, what? Why didn't it curl? Hey! This isn't even hot! Whoa. That's kind of a lot of smoke. I guess this is broken. Maybe that'll work instead. A tube from a roll of toilet paper. And now I've got rollers! Gotta make sure to do all my hair. Can't forget the other side. Wow, this might actually work! Might as well finish getting ready! Whoa! I must have fallen asleep. Right! My hair! Time to check if it's done. Time to unroll these tubes. Whoa! I can already tell it's working! Yes! Exactly what I wanted! Eee! I have curls in my hair today! Would you try any of these poor hacks? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one!